Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a great and rare find here in AYALA Alabang, Muntinlupa City. So this property is a 6-bedroom house and lot with an entertainment room and a swimming pool area. So join us as we tour this home. Let's go! So this property has a spacious landscape area at the front of the house. So you have a great patch of greenery both to your right and to your left. You can walk all around the house. And then to your left, you have your carport area for 6 vehicles. Let's go. So this carport area can fit 4, 5, or 6 vehicles depending on the size, of course. If it's sedans, it's possible for 5 to 6 vehicles. But for large SUVs, this is excellent for about 4 cars. Okay, let's head on in. Now you have your main entry here, and to give you a background, this property is selling almost just at lot value because this is in one of the most prime areas here in AYALA Alabang, and it's already very near Madrigal Business Park and Alabang Town Center. Okay, let's go. Now welcome to your beautiful home. So the property has a high ceiling space, and you have that grand chandelier. And you have all that natural light coming from the large windows. And then from the other side, you see that you have a view of your second floor hallway. And then let's take a look over here. The first thing that you're welcome with upon entering the home, of course, is your swimming pool area. This is such a unique layout because usually the swimming pool area is at the back of the house, but the house usually isn't wrapping around the swimming pool area like this. So this is unique because this gives a great vantage point to the bedrooms all around the house. And of course, you have your patio area here, which is excellent for entertaining guests. So if you have a party or get-together, this is where you can have it. And on this side, you have an additional entertainment space. You have a kitchenette area and an entertainment bar space here. So this is excellent for barbecues. And then on the other side, you have the first room, which is a multi-purpose room. So this can be a prayer room, this can be a man cave area, this can be an area for meetings, so you can entertain guests here without them going through the rest of the house. And then you have that relaxing view of your swimming pool. And let's go through here. This is the first bedroom in the house. So I want you to see once again the large windows, high ceiling also. You have tile for the flooring with the wooden design. And then you have an ensuite bathroom right here. For your orientation, you have access back to the living space from the first room. And on this side, you have access towards your parking area. And from your main hallway, you have your formal dining space. And this is great because of the size of the property. With 800 square meters for the lot area, you can have designated spaces for every part of the house. And right here, you have a spacious kitchen area. So it has a very classic design, but what I like is there's so much space. Obviously, the property can do also with a remodel if you'd like. But what I like is when you're doing remodeling or refurbishing of a home, what matters most is the size. And that's what you have right here. You have so much pantry space, an area for an island countertop, a great view of the swimming pool. This is a pantry. And right here you have a service area. So this is a nice additional heavy sink space, laundry space, barbecue area, and you have access to the pool space right here. And then you have your staff quarters on this side also. So we're walking you through the house so that you have an idea on the size, the dimensions. And to summarize, the ground level has an open high ceiling living space, and then you have a multi-purpose room, and then the first bedroom. And now we're gonna go upstairs where you have 6 rooms. Let's go. So stairs are easy to climb. You have natural wood here. And this is a nice touch having this glass here, giving you a view of your living space. So you have such a wide hallway right here. And you have that natural light coming from the pool area going into the living space. So you have this view right here. So let's take a look at the rooms here. Let's begin with the master bedroom. So you see how spacious it is. And then you have your walk-in closet space and bath area. Now, if you're looking at this house as an investment in terms of the potential of the size, this is excellent also. And then you have your bathroom. Dual sink space, multiple windows, so much natural light, alcove bathtub area. I'm liking how large the windows are. And then you have that great view of the pool area from here. And then you even have that jacuzzi small lounge pool area right beside the main pool. So right now we're gonna take a look at the third bedroom. So I'm walking through the room so you have an orientation in terms of the size. And then this one also has an ensuite bathroom. So I would consider this tour more of an investment tour as well, not just a house tour, because even at just the lot, the price that is already given for this property is already good enough. Basically, the house is almost free in terms of the market value. But of course, this house has so much potential, and the design also is excellent for family living, because right here, you have a family room. So I wouldn't consider this a bedroom because this doesn't have its own bathroom. This is basically a storage room. But this is excellent as a TV room upstairs. So as of now, we've taken a look at a bedroom downstairs, the master bedroom, a third bedroom, and then a family room. Right now, we're gonna take a look at the fourth bedroom. So this is the fourth bedroom. Similar size as the first room that we took a look at. It has an ensuite bathroom as well. And a walk-in closet space, so it's a separate room. This is what we were talking about earlier. You have another hallway here, and then you have a view of the entertainment area. And it's amazing how they were able to fit so many rooms, because this is already the fifth bedroom. And I'm liking the sizes of the rooms. They're all regular shaped also, so it's easy to configure furniture. You have an ensuite bathroom also. And then a walk-in closet also. Now this is the sixth bedroom already. So imagine you have a room downstairs, you have a multi-purpose room beside the pool, and then you have 5 more bedrooms upstairs with a family room. So this property has about 7 rooms in total. 6 bedrooms, a dense space, and then even an 8th room would be the multi-purpose room. So it's maximized. And then you have an ensuite bathroom here. So that wraps up our quick house tour here in AYALA Alabang. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.